Right everybody, if you are looking for a video editor for your Mac, you are at very right place. I am going to tell you about the some best feature of the Filmora X that provide so you can easily edit your complex videos in the Filmora by using keyframe animations that you do all the time in your After Effects or Premiere. You can also do it here, and best feature is motion tracking here. You can easily motion track your video in this. There are many video effects in this software, so you can drag and do some creative work also, and blending modes. And especially if you are a green screen lover, you will love this video editor because it can key the green screen very clearly and effectively in small amount of time. So if you are a vlogger, then you should prefer this Filmora because it has audio ducking feature which fades one audio track under another. So it will be very helpful to make you audible to your audience. So after that, there is a color matching. If you forget some color scheme or just love some color scheme, you can just click and get the same color. There are many keyboard shortcuts which will save your editing time that are not provided in like Premiere or After Effects. So it is very effective with MacBook Pro. You can use touch bar in this. After that, you can easily share your videos with your friends on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube or Instagram. Hello everybody, you are welcome in my tutorial for the advanced color grading section that I do on my Instagram reels. And you can also make poppy content for your Instagram and just create and throw out on Instagram and grab some likes and follows from the people and just become famous. So now I'm going to explain how can you do advanced color grade in Mac. This software is also available for PC, and you can also use Filmora Go for your iOS device. It is very helpful, and you can also watch my recent tutorial on the Filmora Go to just create your own content and just publish on Instagram. So I will be starting with new project and just guiding toward this software, how can you use this and very quickly and easily. So you can see here, this is a media tab, this is audio, titles, transition, effects, element and split screen. I will be explaining this throughout with this step by step, and you can just watch with me. So this is project media, and there are some folders and sample videos present here. You can import your video through clicking by here, import, and just I will be importing my video, my demo color grade. So this is my rough video which I don't color graded. I will just drag it over here. So this is the timeline, and here two option will appear. I will be using 30 fps cinematic. You can either go with 50 also. So you can see here, this is a blinking circle for export. By clicking here, you can export your video very quickly. So I just need some audio for my background, so I will be just putting down my noise, and I will be just adding some songs behind it. So I will be need to trim, so I will be cutting it here and deleting the remaining portion. So easy and smooth. So this is the audio tab. You can find many audio here, like what suits on your project. You can just go through and search out it. And after there is transition, like titles. You can add any one of title like you want in the starting of your song or ending at the song. So I don't need here in the Instagram reels like as in titles. So I will be just sticking with my current project and just head toward the next. So there are many transition in this. You can also look like 233 transition are already included in this software for your work and ease. So you can just find it over here, like you can see this. So I can just drag some of transition for your understanding. So you just need to cut here, just select your clip and it's cutted. Now you have to just take any transition and just paste it over here. And now if your transition is not smooth, So you can just press here. It will create a smoother playback in a short interval of time. This will be very helpful in previewing your renders. So now you can see a green strip over here, the timeline. So it is telling me that preview has been rendered. So it's now smooth. So now I will just remove my transition by command Z and just replace it with. So this is for explanation purpose, and you can use any of the transition in your videos to just create and just use. So now I will be heading towards effects. So there are many effects in this also library, like you can choose any of the filter. So there are many tons of filter in this software, so you can go crazy with any filters. And there are overlays like light leaks. So light leaks are very famous. I will be just dragging some of the light leaks on my project, so you can see that light leaks are like this. So I just don't need leaks in my reels also, because I just focus on the advanced color grading section. So here is a lot pack also, in which you got a James Bond series and like Avengers, Game of Thrones, like stylish Apocalypse, and Sparta 300 also. So you can also just put your custom LUTs by just putting it here and just double click, and you can just load your any LUT. So this is very helpful if you are working from one editor to another. So this will be very helpful. Now I am going towards elements. So you can add any of the effects like boom, clash, oops. So these are very popular, and neon wings, these are very popular in this Instagram reels also. So I will be just posting my Instagram reels, you can check out there also. I've used all these neon pack. So these are very crazy, and you can just do anything you want. So here now the split screen effect, you can just drag it here, and you have to just select your two clips, like which one you want to just put here or here. So I will be importing some media files. So you can just drag it over here and just. So this is a basically split screen effect you can use, and you can also just rotate it, scale it perfectly as per you want, and then hit OK. So now I am just entered in my advanced color tuning section. So you can find many of the presets. I will be choosing some vignette which will be perfect for me. So this vignette is perfect for me, and I will be just going towards adjust. So adjust will just provide me more control over my color grading section. So you can just use auto. I will be just going through manual. After that you can go and just balance your like whites. If you have some white things in your scene, you can just use this. So I will be just not going too crazy with this also. A little bit touch of magenta and color, I need to maintain my exposure on my face. So I do heavy contrast on my reels on Instagram. So I'll be just going crazy with my Instagram and a little bit with vibrance. And I will pull down some of the saturation like -4. And after that, I'm just going to highlights. So I will save some highlights by dragging it down. And I want my high neck to be just like some sort of more black type. And I will just pull some of my whites on my face like nose, cheeks. And after that, this. So after that, I will be just heading toward my magenta section. So just to fix on my wall. So vignette is already done here. So I will just drag some of the little bit of exposure. And now I am boom ready for my edited clip. So this is my final color grading, and after that I will be exporting, and you can export it in any format you want. So there are multiple format. ProRes you can just export from here. I will be going with MOV, so it is widely supported and it is very perfect and it don't lose any quality. So I will hit just export. So it is just creating my video, and you can follow them Wondershare on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. So after that you can also just customize your rendering. When finished, you can just put your computer to sleep and shut down your computer. So it is very beneficial and energy saving.